Alright guys, I'd like to show you guys what I be doing. That keep it always up there. Close as he can to the ground to cut that tree. Because the last people left me stumps up there. Man, that blade is nowhere sharp. What is that? Good thing this thing coming down. A snake hole was in my truck. I hope my camera ain't that dirty because my fingerprint been all over, so. Snake hole in my tree. One time before, guys, I seen some skin left by a hole in my tree on the other side. So what I did, I packed the other side where that hole was at. Hope no snake don't come out of it. But then again, I hope it do. At least I can kill that joker. I think this blade getting dull now.
yên là con không?
Blade on got door. Blade. Hey, one time before I seen some scales right there by the tree. Skin, snake skin one time before.
Alright.
Uh-huh. It was a hole on the other side, but I covered it up.
Oh.
So I said, if it down there, it ain't coming back up. I said, he gonna die for suffocation. Hey guys, it was a hole right there in the tree, but I packed it down, closed it up. Cause I seen skin right here before. Let me show you guys. I got sawdust all in. All in my what's called now. This is the other tree. Now, let's see, can I go out? Okay. I can't, y'all, this sun. Now, I had cut the top out of this tree before. It was higher, it was all the way up. So I cut the top out of it and I left the tree. But now since I put this building up, this tree is too close to my building. So if it fall, hey, I gotta protect the investment. I should have did it the right way the first time. That's why we live and learn, trying to save a buck. And end up spending out more money when you're trying to save. Lesson learned. So, guys, what happened? I don't know if anybody else experienced this. As you can see all the sawdust at the bottom of the base of this tree. So, my old man came over and he said, you got some pine bugs in this tree. This tree gonna die quick. So I was like, it already did because I cut the top out of it. He said, oh no. Get an all around tree, guys. And so he said, that them pine bugs done got in that tree and they eating it up. He said, you better hurry up and cut it down before they take it down for you. And I like, I don't need that, this big old pine tree falling right here. So, if y'all ever experienced pine bugs, so what I'm gonna do, a guy told me he mixed up diesel fuel and motor oil together, and he poured all the way around his base. So this is something new to me, guys. I'm asking you guys as well. Have you ever heard this before? Then let me know. Drop in the comments. I want to just take you on every experience this little preacher have, other than just, you know, my little car bill, little projects that I like to do. So he said he mixed diesel fuel and motor oil together, and he pulled around the base of every tree in his yard to save the other trees from the pine bugs. So I don't see no other tree that's getting attacked right now. Oh, them oak trees there. So I know they ain't. But I got two. These right here is oak tree. No wonder they haven't attacked no more trees in the back. Cause them are oak trees. I only have one pine tree, and that's the one they attacked. And my neighbor just Friday, when I got home Friday, I'm gonna show you guys what had happened. Show you guys what they did. So they called me outside to show me beforehand that it was sawdust on two of their trees. So it was on their property. So Friday, someone came and cut down these two trees right here. You see the stump still there. They did an excellent job by cutting it close as they could to the ground. Well, these two trees right here were infested with them pine bugs. And how they knew, not because of the dust was on the tree, because the pine trees up top was brown. Everything else in the tree was green. But the pine bugs had the top of the tree brown. So they came and cut them trees for them. But since I know my guys who I use, and you know, once I have good experience with the people that have done work for me, I keep on using the same people. No matter that somebody else come along with a better price, you know, lower price than theirs, I'm still gonna use them who did a great job for me. That guys can show them that my relationship still with them. That's all that's saying. No matter what, I can get a better price or whatever. But showing that I have a relationship with you guys, and I'm gonna keep you guys. Cause just because I got a better deal don't mean I'm gonna get better work. So yes. But the thing about it, when they showed me the trees, I said, okay, that's on y'all land. My land, you see them two boxes that right here, go between that tree right there. And them right there were theirs. So I said, sorry. Basically that little split right there, which I'm gonna take me sooner or later, I'm working on now. After I get everything straightened out with my building back here, I'm gonna come and fence, which is gonna cost me pretty good money. I'm gonna fence this all the way down toward that tree. I'm gonna stop at that tree with the fencing. Then I'm gonna go from the other side and go to that box. Side tree, then go again to the box, just to kind of break up yard, so to speak. Some people call it a privacy fence, but I just want a divider, separation, my yard from your yard, because sometimes people come in my yard, they see this car parked around the side, like, this your car? I'm like, no, this neighbor. So why they parking your land? It's not my part. But I put that fence down now. Y'all know. Let's see if he threw, I want to show you guys this when he knocked this tree down. Oof. I'm talking about hot out here. Oof. Let me get in the shade a little bit to show you the tree from this point of view now. Now they already knocked down one part of the tree already, which was all this tree right here, guys, beforehand. And this is the second time the tree been cut. Like I said, I kept a part of it for my cameras. So this tree right here, that tree right here, was all the way leaning on my house. That's how big that thing was. The branches and everything was all the way over here. I'm gonna go slow. Tree, it was that high and leaning down on my house. Just like, zoom it back out, this tree was leaning all the way on my house. It was against that window right there. So I cut it down, and plus I had leaves all in my gutters. I still got to clean it out again. I had leaves and stuff all in my gutters on my house. This is a basement. So yeah, we're waiting on them to. So if you see the black stuff on the trees here, I pour oil on the trees right here. on the stumps right here. I did that a while back. I did this one time too. So as you see my yard, the beauty of my yard, guys, some people say I'm crazy, but the beauty of my yard, I don't have no grass. Yes, that is the beauty. No grass to cut. Yes, I have that part over there, and there go my building. So I like this. I got too many projects. Now you see where that concrete right there, I'm gonna bring that concrete right there and bring it down. Bring it down where I'm at right now. Roadway down, and then make a square. Yes, sir. Ah, yes, yes. Sure. Let me give my guys some water. But I'll make this like a picnic area, so I'm glad I ain't got no grass already right here. I'm gonna put me a gazebo, big gazebo out right here, since it got shade and everything right there as well. Okay, guys, let me get my guys some water. Let this thing come down, then I can cut you guys off. Now, if you're in an Auburn, Opelika area, this is this number, 334-400-9741. Boss Tree Service is the name. Let me get in my garage. Let me shield you guys. Get these guys some water. And if you already didn't know, this is my Trail Boss Chevrolet golf cart sitting on them red bottom things. Designed this baby myself. Okay, let's get them some water. I think I'll get myself one too. Oh, my head running. Somewhat. I'm gonna take care of you. One thing I'm gonna do, you're doing work for me. And yes, doing the work for me, I'm gonna pay you more than what you asked for anyway, but I'm not gonna tell you I'm gonna pay you more. I'm just gonna wait until you're done. And then, basically, you don't mind coming back. You might need help pulling, guys. Let's go around with this guy. Hope we don't miss nothing. Trying to do it with one hand. Whoop, whoop. It's down, guys. All right. All right, guys. Protecting this building. Got one more. Got one more, but y'all already know how it's gonna go. This is the main one right here. It's sitting right over my garage. So hey guys, just showing you on the journey. My journey around the house duties and projects. Have a blessed day. Amen.